Hello everyone! In today's video you will see many ways to wear a traditional Russian scarf. My scarf is 35 by 35 inches, but you will be able to adapt most of the style to the biggest scarf. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie a scarf. This is one of my favorite Russian scarves. It is not as bright as most of the traditional Russian scarves, but I can combine it almost with everything. First style is inspired by gypsy woman that I saw in Russia when I was a child. Fold your scarf as a triangle. Now fold it like this to shorten the middle corner. Tie it on one side. I think it looks great with jeans. For the next style, wrap the triangle around your chest and tie the ends behind. You can make the corner shorter by folding it to adapt it to your torso length. I like to add a belt. Or you can tuck the corner into your jeans too. For the next style, fold the scarf as a large band, like this. I love how the corners look in this fold. Put the scarf on your neck and fix it with a belt. I think this style makes me look slimmer. As a variation of the previous style, you can just hide the corner like this. I don't think you've seen someone wear a Russian scarf like this before. Now, let's do some unusual neck scarf styles. Tie your scarf around the neck, making one end shorter. Take another end and wrap it around the scarf, hiding the end behind. Or twist it a few times and wrap it. By the way, if you like scarves, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. Et voilà! I love this style. It looks very elegant, I think. For the next style, wrap your scarf around the neck, crossing the ends behind, and bring them forward. Look at these beautiful corners. Now let's see how you can wear your Russian scarf with a trench. First, you can wear it as a belt, just like this. Another version, tie the ends behind. Very unusual too. Also, you can wear your scarf like this on the neck and tie the ends under the belt. Make sure your scarf is parallel to the middle line of your trench. I love how it looks. The next style looks very different, but the idea is the same. You just need a triangle fold. For this style, I like to join ends under the belt. And my waistline looks slimmer now. By the way, if you like Russian scarves, I will leave a few links in the description to some lovely wool scarves like mine on Etsy. Now let's do some headscarves. The first, it's my favorite style. When I was a child, I remember many old women wearing their scarf this way. Maybe that's why it's called babushka. By the way, I've got a playlist on Russian scarf with a lot of unusual headscarf styles. It is very interesting and I will link it at the end and in the description. For the next style, I like to make the middle corner shorter, otherwise the fringe in the knot will look messy. Just fold your scarf like this, cover your head and tie the ends behind. You see, the back looks nice and clean. You can leave the ends back or bring them forward and cover your neck. Another way, to wrap the ends around your head, if you are in a joyful mood today. And the last look is the most traditional for Russia. If you want to know more on traditional Russian scarf, you can check these videos too for more scarf ideas. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!